Hi, good evening. This is Vivek Sharma. I am CTO and co-founder at ProvisCommerce. Today we are going to present you the pitch deck for ProvisCommerce, an AI-enabled B2B e-commerce platform. ProvisCommerce is designed and as an B2B e-commerce platform for wholesalers and retailers, distributors to operate in the e-commerce business in multiple industries. And it is centered around core fundamental problems of a B2B businesses, and we are solving them via AI and automation to increase the customer retention, loyalty, managing the streamlining the operations, managing the inventory, and digitalization for marketing ready. So the at the application, the products can go live in a short span of time. So if we talk about problems in the B2B businesses, like there are a fundamental problem with every B2B business they are facing, like lower customer churn and slim margins. So generally B2B business operate in a domain where they have always a pressure of pricing, both from the manufacturer side and retailer side. So manufacturer always want to sell on a higher price. At the same time, the retailers are always wanted to buy the item in a lesser price. And yeah, so they always have to like cut it from the margin what distributor or wholesaler is getting into. So they always have this fundamental problem, as well as like how many volumes, how much order I am getting in an average time span. That also gives the, because the number of customers are generally they are numbered by the demography or the geography that retailer or distributor is operating, so it is limited. So customer churn is something which drives their business, and lower customer churn is a big problem for all B2B businesses. At the same time, like if they want to go for a market, they want to increase their customer base, they have to tap into new markets or geographies, and which attracts like more costing, because when once you, there are logistic costings, there are operational costing associated with it. At the same time, they have this fundamental problem of inventory, where the inventory stock levels, they need to predict like how much stock level I need to maintain for a month or a quarter or an year. So they generally have this needs to like get themselves prevent overstocking, like surge of stock of some items. And one fundamental problem is dead stock. Dead stock is the items are the SKUs which are not moving for some time. So generally B2B businesses hate that stock and they want to clear them ASAP. Operational inefficiency due to manual sales. Now, the sales cycle of B2B businesses generally operate based on human resources, like they have sales agent, sales team who generally operate in the market, and then they take mostly do the orders online, offline, via email, phone calls, or general channels. And there are always inefficiencies in that, and they, when getting and delivering the things, it's very different from a B2C market to a B2B market. Now, we mentioned several problems in the first slide. Now we are going to talk about how we are solving this problem. So our core solution is designed around these fundamental problems. Like the first item in our list is customer intelligence and retention. Now we use AI and automation, where with the use of AI, we do a customer segmentation based on last 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year or 3 year orders. So what we do is we take the data from whatever we have in our platform, and then we pass it to an AI, proprietary AI model, and then we convert them with the machine language into the human readable segmentation, like something like, okay, these are my loyal customer, these are my about to lose customer, these customers has not ordered in a some amount of time. So basically we do an RFM, recency frequency monetization analysis on that, and based on that we generate stats over the customers. In the next step, what we do, that we just not only generate those stats, we create the action items which are done automated on the automation basis on the platform. So let's say if we figure out like, okay, there are 10 customers which has not ordered in last past 3 months. So we send them curated discount coupons, reward points, we send them personalized emails and try to get them into the platform. At the same time, we provide digital channels and digital tools for retailers so they can, rather than having the manual operation, they can sell, they can put more orders via online platform in their own devices with the use of mobile and tablets. They can order on the as frequent as in their own time. Predictive analysis for inventory forecasting. Now, this is very interesting. Like what we are using here, the predictive analysis done by AI. So we check the stock levels over a time for a like at least 1 year or 3 year time, and then we predict like how much stock level needs to be maintained in the next upcoming month, day, quarter. So the distributors will always know like he needs that much level of inventory in his warehouse, and that's where this is also helping him like managing and streamlining his cash flow, because he already know how much he has to buy and how much he's going to sell. So this gives the insight about it. And then we also have the automation in place. So in case like if some SKU is going should be purchased, then there are purchase orders drafted automatically, which are just notified to the distributor and respective teams so they can take the purchase action next. With the platform, we create a ecosystem where we have digital channels for selling. Like we have mobile apps for retailers, we have websites for if the business wants to do B2C, they can have website. If a manufacturer want to do D2C, they can have thus done this via APIs, via PWAs, uh, via mobile apps. And then we have a core backend which is given all the analytics, all the integrations with CRMs, inventory management softwares, invoicing management softwares. So basically in this whole ecosystem, we provide this to have you one place where you can have all your integrations done, and then you can have an insight of your business at any point of time, which gives you like operational excellence further in your business. And let's say you want to expand your business into a new market, so all you have to do is you just have to create some configurations in our platform, and then you have ready to use mobile app and PWAs, and you can start your marketing, even getting a physical presence there. So this gives you ability to test the waters in different markets and see how you are going to perform, and then you can like further increase your capacity into that environment. Next, see, now I want to introduce my partner and CEO of ProvisCommerce, Mr. Madhu Bansal. He has been a super distributor, and he has a good history with B2B businesses as well as an extensive career in this. You can check more details about on his LinkedIn platform. And myself, Vivek Sharma, I am coming mostly from the tech background. So I have been doing tech solutions for more than 15 years, and potentially after COVID was the time when me and Madhu got together, and then we realized this need of fundamental business problems where we try to solve this via technology. And then the idea was evolved over time, and once we did those AI integrations and AI implementations, then like the things was turning out great. So we started with our first implementation in 2021, somewhere in December 2021. And then since then, like it was kind of a roller coaster journey for us. We like increased the sales volume via the platform. We almost get all the orders for that implementation into the platform. And then we realized like this is a business to be potentially like helpful for other B2B businesses in different industries. And that's where the idea of ProvisCommerce generated, and then we are here. If we see the market size and opportunity on the B2B market, just in US, like there is a data available which shows like it's going to be in billions, almost 30.8 billion something. So I think like when we are targeting this, into a market, if we just start with one geography and one location, that is even enough to fuel the business into the right direction. Our revenue model is very straightforward. We use subscription model and we follow the best GDPR practice. So like your business data always stays with you. We just provide our SaaS application in a form where you can use all the services. It is curated and designed and branded for you only. So it's always separate and no data is shared with other parties. And at the same time, like when we use your data for in AI models, we first anonymize and don't take your customer or your critical data. We just use analytical data and approach it. So like our model is very simple, where we have a subscription fee yearly, and based on the business, based on the industry, we can give you a pricing on that. Please come to us. Thank you. Please scan the card and you can see our website and give us our feedback. Thank you.